Hi everybody, welcome back to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. Today is Tuesday, November the 10th, and yesterday on the 9th, I received a small haul from EFavormart.com. And this is also going to be a DIY for my Plums and Pumpkins open invite tablescape. That is due on November the 14th at 11 a.m. So let's get into this haul. So I ordered these silver napkins, and you get I think it's a 5-pack for $2.79. Also with this DIY, you will need scissors. Let me just open these fresh ones up. Now I'll put these scissors away just for fabric use. So I just want to open up this real quick and just show you the quality. Now when I got married like 10 years ago, I had did my whole wedding from EFavormart, and it saved me tons of money. But these are how big the napkins are, if you were just curious. They are really big, and they come pre-folded, of course. So that's what the silver looks like. And then I got like this lavender. I think it's lavender. It's called, or it may be plum. No, this is lavender. And these are the lavender napkins. You get 5 in a pack for $2.79. Great quality. Look how pretty that is. Okay. So I got them in plum, silver, and then I ordered. Yeah, that's all the napkins that I got. Now for the table runners, these run 99 cents a pack. And I got 5 pack of the emerald green, 4 packs of the plum runner, and 4 packs of the silver. So I'm not going to open up the silver and the emerald green because we're going to be working the DIY today on the plum. So let me get this open and I'll be right back. Okay y'all, I'm back. I got them out the package. Now this is actually called the eggplant satin table runner, and the size is 12 by 108. So I'm going to show you a DIY how I'm going to transform this basic table runner. This is what it looks like on the site. It's just a basic runner. And we're going to get into the DIY. So as you can see, this is really, really long. It's 108 feet by 12. So this part I got to get up because I can't sit and do the video. What you're going to need is scissors, brand new scissors please, because you're going to be cutting some stuff. And you're going to need this heat bond ultra hold 5 yards 4.6 inches. Okay, this is the real tall one because I have a lot to do, and this ran $7.97 at Walmart. like I said, you need the Heat and Bond Ultra Hold the no sew. So I'm gonna get this open. Slide your back. Actually, this time around, I'm going to lay it down on the rough surface. So the rough surface is on this part. Just gonna iron straight down. Open that up. Pull this off. Lay that back down, make sure that it's straight. Like so. See, it is sealed. just using the table runners. And if you can see kind of up close, here is heating bond. That was $7.97. So if you want to add on $4 extra, so $8 to make this tablecloth, probably cheaper than that because I'm going to be using this to make 2 more tablecloths. So I would say maybe $2 of heat bond plus the tablecloth, $6 tablecloth. I think it's fabulous. Once these dark spots dry, that is from my iron. I have the steam on, but yeah, that's what it looks like. So y'all get the ironing and mending and make your own fabulous tablecloth. Thanks for watching, and always remember, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. Y'all stay blessed until the next DIY. Bye bye.